Buenos días, familia T-Squad. Good morning, guys. ¿Cómo están? Buenos días. Me salió un grano, no lo pueden ver, pero me salió un grano, vamos a lavar ropa, because, you know, está sucia la ropa. Voy a abrir la puerta porque vamos a cocinar. Les voy a enseñar cómo me hago mi café. First things first, este es el café que yo uso. Café La Llave. And then voy a agarrar una cuchara y le voy a echar una así enorme. Maybe a little bit more because I need that energy. Yes. And then we're gonna put vanilla from Starbucks, because, you know, why not? I'm gonna put two.
Some vanilla.
Then we're gonna put it here.
It looks funny.
And then we are going to do a...
You preheat already?
¿Mande?
You preheat already?
Yeah. We're gonna do the rich brew. Oh shit, I don't have battery. Rich brew. I think that's it. Kind of. The pan is nice and hot. ¿Cuántos querías?
I think only 4.
Start at 5. I'm gonna film.
Yeah. Yeah, because right now I have to go to, tengo que ir al Home Depot
Okay.
a comprar pues, cosas, you know, for the cleaning.
Like what?
Like mops, like things like that.
Your mom has all that.
Mops?
Mm-hmm.
No mops.
Yeah.
My mom has no mops. No, just like yesterday we were saying que mi mamá quería ir a la Home Depot yesterday to buy the mops.
You need to go watch Deadpool.
We need to buy
¿Cuándo
tickets
viene?
now because it's this Friday. But we're not gonna go Friday, we're gonna go Saturday first.
Yeah.
Pero we need to buy tickets now.
It's really nice.
So today the eggs are perfect today?
Eh?
Today the eggs are perfect?
The eggs are perfect, yeah.
You know what? Thicker. Damn. Fucking leave it on the...
Bam! Fucking beast, man. Okay, so you guys like my slippers? Here is my breakfast. Fried egg whites, ham and bacon with some onions because I love onions, and avocado. Bam! And Jesus is already eating.
You're hungry? Mm-hmm. You took a bite of my earphones? Oi?
We're gonna go pick up your mama?
Butt plugs, bro? Estimular?
You gonna show today butt plugs? Butt plugs.
Le dije a la Adrián que, le dije, hey bro, go apply at Amazon, bro, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then he's like, well, you know you have to be gonna be opening the boxes, right? When they're like, you know, return stuff like that in the warehouse, the Amazon. And I was like, oh, this is a butt plug right here.
Se lo va a quedar, ¿no?
Let me hide it real quick.
No llegó ese package. I don't know, it got lost in the mail.
Pero no puedes ni hablar, look at his face. Esto llegó.
Tengo hambre.
Todo estimulado.
Lightly used.
You, Adrian, you're so...
No, y luego le dije, no, que me va a traer un regalo, ¿eh? Que me dijo, hey, pollo, I brought you a gift. And it's like, oh, thank you. So this was just gently used, you know.
You guys are gonna share a butt plug?
Hey, can we get some gently used tacos?
Gently used tacos.
For real. As a what?
Say the magic word.
Croquetas.
Croquetas.
No.
Butt plug. Cover girl. Fine.
There you go. We passed it.
Cover girl.
Butt plug is the secret. No. Yeah, the secret word. the magic word. If you want it to happen, just say butt plug.
And it will become true.
You should do that.
And your wishes will come true.
On your YouTube channel,
What?
guess the magic word and get a gift card.
Ah, chinga.
They're not gonna know what the magic word is.
Huh?
They're not gonna know this is a magic word between us.
No, I'm not trying to say butt plug.
Yeah, of course. Like, what the fuck?
Guys, please say the magic word, and you will get a dun 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 dun.
Tell them to spell chart. If they spell it right, they get a gift card.
Do you even know how to spell rumpen?
No, that's why they never get
Okay,
a gift card.
spell chart down below, and you will get a gift card. Nobody will ever get a gift card.
Hashtag chart.
I know how to spell chart. I made that word up. Therefore, I know how to spell it. And if somebody spells it right, I will change the spelling. So you don't win.
Oh no, the D is silent.
Right? For real.
Oh, it has a silent H in there. Sorry.
It was a silent T and a P.
Silent A through Z.
A silent PH. Ten cuidado.
Go Armida.
Ah, your phone is not smart.
Hey Google.
If you own an Android, please get an Apple iPhone.
Hey Google. Call Armida.
Hello, Siri. No, it's not Hello, Siri. It's Hey, Siri.
Bitch, I said call Armida.
Lo que te diga.
There you go. There you go. Sí, le gusta que le griten a esta.
¿Le gusta que le griten?
Le gusta que le griten.
Se parece a alguien que
Mira.
conozco.
Ya le gusta que le griten.
Jesus, your vest looks like como ese antibalas. Un chaleco
Yeah.
Can you pass
antibalas.
the butt plug?
Ya te las acabaste, butt plug.
Así ya.
Mira, ya se cansó el pinche butt plug. Quejón, ¿verdad?
What?
¿Qué quejón eres?
Cállate, que tú en cuanto llegas a la casa. te
Should I just
amargas.
call him Maruchan Jr.?
Maruchan Jr.
Senior, please. I'm pretty sure from now you could call me chief executive.
Chip executive.
We are here. We just got to Sam's Club. Babe forgot. What did Babe forget? His card. About to do some grocery shopping. Ay, chiquito. Ay, chiquito. Oye, chico. Oye, chico. ¿A cuánto? ¿A cuánto ese culito? ¿De gratis? Ay, tan barato saliste, cabrón. Mendigo. ¿Qué quieres comprar, niño? Babe wants to buy a projector, and I want to buy this. Yo quiero esto. This is actually nice, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Por si no queremos alberca, you can just get something like this. Un pinche baño afuera, a bathtub outside.
No, it's a jacuzzi, baby.
Is it?
Jacuzzi, ¿no ves? Mira. Mira. Los masajes, todo eso, mira, para los pies. Baila pues, ¿estás bailando ahorita? Fucking crazy ass.
Big one, brown sugar. Woo! We have a winner. This one.
Oh, that's the one gonna get?
Yeah, it's 40 packets, which is perfect. You know? This is soccer moms be like.
It's like your mom's.
Let's get the treats for the kids. Soccer game on Friday.
On Sunday. Soccer games are on Sunday, babe.
You know I'm not a soccer mom. I love watching grocery hauls. I don't know why. Okay, guys, we just got out. What did we get?
Pura chucherías.
No, ¿cuáles chucherías tú? We got queso, mangoes. We got a sushi pack. This actually looks fucking bomb. It looks spicy. To try it out, because I've been craving sushi since last night.
Oatmeal.
Oh, we got the maple and brown sugar oatmeal, turkey bacon, 2 chickens. If you guys haven't tried the chickens from Sam's Club, they're bomb. And then what else did we get besides the turkey bacon?
Use eggs
We
and
got
milk.
eggs, milk, our creamer for coffee, and then we got the suja. Is it suja or suha? Suha? Suja.
Yeah.
These are my favorite
Yeah.
juices. These are fucking bomb.